Let's draw an etagami with an alarm clock this time. Using a vertical card, leave space for a message. To give it dimension, pay attention to the angles when you draw.
Soak the ink brush with ink and start drawing the circle for the face. When you do this, make sure to leave enough room so you can put a message in later. Draw some lines for dimension. On top, draw the bells in a balanced manner. After drawing the shape of the clock, draw the numbers using the thin brush soaked with ink. First draw the 12, then the 6, 9, 3, and the rest of the numbers to make it look even. Then draw the minute hand, hour hand, and second hand. Drawing these in this order will make it well balanced. We're going to color the body of the clock. Using the gradient brush, mix some bright yellow into the emerald green and paint it while leaving some white space. For the metal parts like the bells and feet, mix bright yellow and yellow. Add some deep blue to that and fill in to contour. For the glass face, add a lot of water to deep blue paint and paint with the gradient brush to draw a circle and leave some white space to give it a round and transparent look.
We're all done. We took up a lot of page space with the drawing. It looks like the bell is about to ring in a new day. The message written here is, "Have a good day." I hope this makes you feel like another great day is on your horizon. See you soon!